One of the things that's great for children as they're learning to write and strengthen their hands is the use of Play-doh. We have included a recipe for homemade Play-doh. It's very inexpensive to make and lasts forever as long as you keep it in an airtight package. That's also in your backpack on a little yellow card. Some of the things that you can do with Play-doh, or children can do with Play-doh, just simply squishing, molding, flattening. It's great for your kids' hands. It's going to help them get the strength they need to be able to hold writing utensils. Flattening the Play-doh out. And you know, some people have Play-doh stuff in their home, others don't. Things you could use at home. This is just a regular glass, but I can use this like a rolling pin. This is good for children's hands because it flattens out that palm, straightens those fingers, and it helps develop that hand for writing. If you don't have a cookie cutter, you can use the cup again and make a circle. Again, we're talking about shapes and different things you can do with Play-Doh. Also, we've got cookie cutters laying out here. These knives are pretty much harmless. So for your child, again, holding strengthens that grip for your children. This is a card that we took off the internet, but you can just write the first letter of their name. Making snakes out of Play-Doh is so much fun for kids. Rolling it, again, flattens that hand out. When they finish, we want them to use two hands too. A lot of times they'll use their hand they favor. They can use two hands and begin to shape the letter of their name. That takes a little while, but children love to play with Play-Doh. Just reminds you to keep it in an airtight package when they're not playing with it. And this Play-Doh is easy to clean up, lots of fun. They can make all kinds of shapes. So make your Play-Doh. Thanks.